This video is going to be comparing the 1/4" drive Harbor Freight Quinn set, part number 70261. And I'll be comparing it to the Tekton 1/4" drive set, and the part number is SKT 05301. And that is the part number for this set here. This set has been discontinued, and the new part number is SKT 05303. And the new set goes up to 15 millimeters. And it also comes with a different nut driver. But other than that, it is very similar to this set here. And as you can see, the Harbor Freight and the Tekton, they're both designed kind of the same way. They're in a plastic case. They both have a little storage spot here where you can put different things. Like I normally keep these bits here in the storage area. They both come with all the same size sockets. They both come with a nut driver, 2 extensions, a U-joint, a bit adapter, and a ratchet. And as far as the quality, this Quinn set seems to be pretty good quality. The only thing I don't like about it are a lot of the deep sockets, the smaller sizes. As you can see there, the shoulder is up a lot higher. So if you're trying to get into a tight spot, you'd be better off with the Tekton. You can see the shoulder is farther down. But I do like, they did print on there the size, 4.5 millimeter, and they printed Quinn on it. So if you ever have a warranty problem, you can take that back to Harbor Freight. And same as Tekton, they print Tekton on it, and they also print the size on it. And as far as the nut drivers, these 2 nut drivers are very, very similar. The handles are the same exact shape. They both have a 1/4" drive square in the back. And I do like the Tekton ratchet. Does seem to be a little bit higher quality. And it has a button on the back for the release, where the Quinn does not. There's the 2 side by side. As far as the cases, this Quinn case has 2 pins that you can pull out. If you decide to put it in your toolbox, you can separate the top and the bottom. Where the Tekton, the pins are made into the hinge. You can't really just pull it out. But the cases are very similar. They both have 2 latches in the front. And they both do close pretty good. You can see they're pretty strong latches. As far as the plastic that the cases are made out of, both of them are made out of a very strong plastic. It's not a cheap case on either the Tekton or the Quinn set. See, it's pretty strong plastic. And to me, it looks like the Harbor Freight Quinn set is just a copy of this Tekton set here. But for the price difference, I bought this one at Harbor Freight on sale for $39. And it's normally $49. For this Tekton set, this one here is discontinued, but the new set is $90 currently on Amazon. And I really don't see any quality issues with this Quinn set. Everything seems to have a really good fit and finish. And I actually prefer this adapter over the one in the Tekton set. The one in the Tekton set, I have not had good luck with it holding in. It just has this cheap spring around the edge. Where this one has a spring inside it that seems to grab a little bit better. See it right there. So if you're in the market for a 1/4-inch drive socket set, I don't think this Quinn set would be a bad option. It seems to have everything that the more expensive Tekton set has, and it seems like it's a decent quality. And it says that it has a lifetime warranty. You can see on the box there, lifetime warranty. So if you ever have an issue with it, you should be able to take it back to Harbor Freight and warranty out whatever breaks. And the Tekton also does have a lifetime warranty. If you have an issue with one of these, most of them have a part number on them, and you just send them a picture of whatever breaks and they'll send you a new one. That's going to be all for this video. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.